Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon Santa Claus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now move to the center, step down, draw another circle for the nose. We're going to go in towards the edge of the eyes, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So we're going to bring this in and then back out. Now add a smaller circle on the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. I'm going to tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. Let's start on the left. Curve this around and then up. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's add one more bump in the center. Let's go up to the top and draw a straight line going across the bottom edge of the hat. And we'll round out the sides. And we'll close off the top. Let's go back to the side. We're going to curve the hat going up and over towards the right. Then we're going to add a circle, and curve this down and then out towards the right side. Now I'm going to move down and draw the outside edge of the beard. Let's start on the left. Flip this out, and then in towards the center point. Go around the right side, and then in. Now draw the edge of the beard around the eyes, coming around and then in towards the mustache. Let's move down and draw the side of the body, starting on the left. Curve this out, and then in towards the bottom. And we'll round out the bottom of the body. Let's add the arms, starting on the left, curve this out, and then in. And we'll draw the edge of the sleeves with one line across the bottom. Move up and draw that again. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the body, starting on the left, coming down, across, and then up. Now let's draw a straight line going across the center of the body. Step down, draw that again. Add two lines on the side of the buckle, and we'll trace the inside of the buckle. Now add two lines across the side, and we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of Santa Claus. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.